Então, hoje eu estou aqui para trazer a versão de Everdey em PTR, legendado em PTR português. Então, eu vou trazer isso aqui, deu muito trabalho de fazer esse vídeo, então se você puder se inscrever aí, dar um like ou um coraçãozinho, vai ajudar sempre. Então vamos pro vídeo!
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to go back to the play care. I haven't been happy in so long. I can't wait to see the smiling critters. Hi, hello, it's been a while since I've seen your happy smile. We're so glad you came to see your best friends on the TV. Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, and a piggy pink. Yes, and there's no more. Purple can just be ignored. See, I know we're jitters, happy, we're smiling critters. Make that bad times go away. Candy dreams and rainbow days. Bobby Bear, happy corn.
Bubble, bubble, pretty ray.
Happy hopscotch.
Chicken, chicken.
Piggy, piggy.
Dog day. S-M-I-L-E. Every day, you and me. S-M-I-L-E. Every day, you and me. We're still smiling every day. There's really no other way. Oh my gosh, thank you guys for joining us here. We are going to have so much fun today.
So, what is there to do in the play care? There are so many games to play, and everyone is talented in their own way. Let us show ya. Happy corn is art, Bobby's got the heart, and Bubba's good with school. Chicken, chicken is cool, yeah. Piggy loves to eat, Happy loves to run.
And dog to make sure we're all having fun.
Catnap's not invited. Catnap's not invited. Hey, hi, no more jitters, happy here is smiling critters, make the bad times go away. Hammer dreams and rainbow days, Bobby Bear, happy corn.
Bubble, bubble, pretty ray.
Happy hopscotch.
Chicken, chicken.
Piggy, piggy.
Dog day. S-M-I-L-E. Every day, you and me. S-M-I-L-E. Every day, you and me.
We're still smiling every day. There's really no other way.
Whoa, dudes, that was radical.
Actually, Kickin' Chicken, radical isn't a word.
I got to hug so many new friends, except for Catnap.
Speaking of which, where is that sleepy kitty?
Oh well, maybe next song.
Gente, essa foi a versão de Everdey legendado em português. Espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo, porque deu muito trabalho de eu fazer esse vídeo. Esse vídeo tem no mínimo uns 2 minutos, mas ele tem aqui, eu gastei mais de 3 horas só fazendo cada legenda, cada pontinho. Então espero que vocês tenham gostado, valeu e até a próxima! Não se esqueça de baixar CapCut na Play Store!